the snips happen. I am here for Creep on June 26th. I was invited by Tracie Fox. I want to thank Tracie Fox for inviting me and allowing me to participate. This is the very first time that I have been a part of one of her collabs, and I want to thank you, Tracie, for inviting me. I'm sure you have seen the wonderful kit that she has given all of her collaborators to work with this collab. It's a grim fairy tale type kit. I built suitcases because they went on a vacation already for this wonderful trip. I don't know if they're back from their trip or not, but yeah, they're on their they might still be out on their trip, who knows. But for right now, we are going to be building a like loaded pocket type thing with a bag. We are going to fly by our seat of our pants when we do this, because I was not quite sure what I wanted to do with this. So yeah, we are doing this together. I'm using the paper for one of the boxes right now to cover this bag, and then we are going to go from there. So hopefully my plan for this works, because if it doesn't work, we are going to try again, because yeah, we're just gonna try again. So now I'm going to cut here, because I did mark it with my pen. So please make sure that you stop over and give her channel a peek and see what she creates. And see, the paper doesn't go all the way to the bottom of this, but that's okay, because that's going to go up there and you're not going to see it anyways. So I got to give this a little bit of ink, and I would have had all this ink. You wouldn't even have seen me do any of this inking. But because I had to cut it down, we have to ink quickly so that you don't... So it has some inkerdoos, yep. But it's gonna go right there, just like that. I really like this colors that are on this paper right here, so that is cool. So we're gonna take this just like this, and actually I'm going to just put the glue. I'm using art glitter glue, like randomly in here, because I don't know where the paper is gonna land. Because like you see how it's like this. I don't know where it's going to land. And we're just going to put it up to the top. But we're going to go like this. And then I'm just going to wipe away the glue here that we don't need. And we'll just put some glue like that. And then this will come up like here. And see, like right here we have white. So we're going to have to... Why don't I not keep you so far away? Because, you know, you would like to see what I'm doing. We're not, I don't want you to have a magnifying glass to see what I'm trying to do here. Not that you don't know how to ink, because you probably do. And I just wanted to, you know, grunge it up a little, because it's all about being grungy. Do I care I got ink on my desk? No, ma'am. You clean it off when you're done. I'm not afraid of a little ink. And then I'm going to take this other one, which is a completely different, completely different box. I don't know if it's the top or the bottom, because I just cut it out. And we are going to lay this so it covers it, just like so. And then I'm going to cut around it, ink around it, and then I will be right back with you. Okay, so we have it all inked and all that fun stuff. And then we have these coin envelopes, which I backed earlier on some paper bag. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to glue it on its 3 sides like it's supposed to be, like this. Make it a coin envelope, right? And then, this is what I thought would be cool. Is take it, put it here, like this. You got this, right? So I thought I would take this and glue it on the inside of here. Again, I forgot to grunge it up. I forget this all the time, and I'm gonna do it lickety split banana split. I swear, I'm gonna do it lickety split banana split. But you're not gonna see most of it anyways, because when you see what I'm gonna do, you're gonna be like, what? She didn't just do that? No way, she didn't just do that. Yep, you're gonna see right here. You're gonna see it here first, friends. You're gonna see it here first. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna put that like that. You remember that really cool thing that Tony from Crafty by Tony made? Well, I tried to make one. I did. I really did. And I'm going to take that, and I'm going to turn this like this. Turn this like this, and we're going to put it on here. And we're going to, of course, this piece here, we don't want no glue on because we want our stuff to glue on there. So we're going to take our glue. Make sure we're in frame here. We're going to go down like this. And we're going to go hopefully the same amount of way. And then we're going to go like this. We're going to bring this over like this. And then this is going to come over here like that. And that's going to be a part of our front. And then this is gonna, these will go back in here. I made these that go in here, like this. Just like this. I thought they were pretty cool. So yeah, we have that. I just had to pull it a little closer to me. We have this that flips like this now, right? So we have this little cool thing. And then this will flip like this, but we gotta glue this piece down. So let's get this glued like so. Like this. We gotta get this glued like this. Right? And make sure we're all glued in. We ought to get all glued in. There we go. Now we got to decorate that. And what are we going to decorate that with? Well, what we got over here, friends? I know we got some stuff over here. This I wanted to do, and I have already pulled out the ones that I wanted to put on there. So, let's see. We have our little owl. He is going to go in there. So, let's get him in there. Like so. Ooh-doo-doo. There he is. And then his name is Frankenstein. And we're going to put him right here. We're going to put Frankenstein right. Why are we going to put Frankenstein there? Because I just feel like it. Yeah. This was one of my favorite characters out of the bunch. Then we have this little nifty little thing. I'm probably going to add more to that. But at the moment, we have that. That goes in that pocket like so. And we have this little envelope here. Let's see what we can muster up with this one. If we can get it to go evenly, would be great, Tara, because we need it to be even, not crooked. Not crooked. Would be great. All right, can we do that? Can we get it to go even? I don't care if the flap is not straight. Like, I just want the pocket, like that part of it to be straight. And we did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, we did it. There we go. And we have this like this. And we're going to put it probably, I want it to peek out just a little. So we're going to put it right about here. Make sure that doesn't flip. Put it right, yeah, that's about right there. There we go. And let's get that glued down. And we'll make it a pocket behind in case we want to add anything to it. As you will learn as we go, I love pockets and tucks. And anything that I can make a pocket and a tuck, I'm going to make a pocket and a tuck. Do we want to put Mr. Owl in there? Oh yeah, that looks way better in there. So we're going to put him there. That's our passport. That's our passport for our friend that is going, I don't know where, but he is going somewhere. Somewhere, maybe to the Bahamas, maybe? I don't know, but he's heading somewhere, not with us. Because they're going to the, do we want to put them in there? No, we do not. We do not want to put them in there. No, we do not. So right now, I am going to find me some critters. So, we have a mousey. Do we want to put the mousey here? No, I do not want to put the mousey here. Alright, I'm going to go cut me out some critters, and I will be back in a... It'll be a moment for you, be a few for me, but I will be back. Okay, so I got this stuff laid out the way that I want it to glue it down, like my decorations and stuff. So we're going to glue them down, and then I'll show you it all closed up so you can see what we have. I have to get this finished up because we just had a storm that rolled in, and I don't know how long the internet or anything else is going to last. And I want to get this done so that I can get it edited and I can have it ready for you guys for when it has to go up. So please make sure that you go over and check out my partner, who is, I will definitely leave her channel link down below, and I will leave all of her information so that you can check out what she has for today. Again, this is day 21 of Creeping on June, and I want to thank Tracie Fox for inviting me along for this journey. I had a blast being a part of this. This is the first time I've ever taken part in Creep on June, and I had so much fun playing with the collection and doing all the things and seeing what everybody made. Tony inspired me for the front of this with the envelope thing. I really like that. So that's where that idea came from. And then Tracie herself inspired me when I made the suitcases when they left to go on vacation. I will show you that in just a second when I made that. I did post that in the Facebook group. But yeah, I'll show you. I just put these little journaling cards in here with the passport, and then over here we are just going to put some cheesecloth like this, and then I have something ready for Halloween when Halloween rolls in. I'm just using my art glitter glue to glue down some cheesecloth that I dyed with some ground espresso, and we're gonna glue this Squirtle down because he looks a little scaredy. I don't know why he's such a scaredy pants, but he looks like a scaredy pants to me. Yeah. He's a scaredy pants. And then I'm going to put that little tombstone like that. Well, I did want the book page. So maybe we can put it over. Why don't we do this? We can put it up. Maybe tuck it in up here. I wanted it on there, but maybe I'm just going to do it like that. There we go. I'll do it like that. and then I'll show you what we got for this. Alrighty, so we have this little gemaroo. I think this is the cutest thing ever. So we have this, and then this flips, and then we have this, and then we have these pockets. So that's my Creep on June project. And then I'll show you what I made with the suitcases and the freebie from Tracie Fox. This was the other project that I made. This was the suitcases where they went on vacation. This actually opens up, and there is some tags in here from the freebie. Actually, I could probably use that. Now they took that down, but that was my 3D project that I made. So let's put this over here. And if I open this up like this, I can stick these down in here, just like this. Because there is a space there for them to go. Like that. And then I can stick that one over there. And my batty bat's right there. Oh, and then we made our little passport guy here. Frankenstein. But that is what I created for the Creep on June. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please make sure you like and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.